Morning guys, early morning walking again. I'm here in Villarreal Stadium. Gonna show you around our beautiful swimming pool here in Villarreal Stadium guys. Look, pang Olympics talaga yan. Ang daming ganap dito sa Villarreal Stadium guys. Yan, bongga kami rito sa Rojas.